Hello Calgary and welcome to Maclin Ford. My name is Tim and I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day today. Today I'm showing off this iconic silver 2020 Ford F-150, which CarFax says is an Alberta vehicle with absolutely zero accidents. In the XLT trim, this F-150 comes packed with a 308 equipment group, a 5.0-liter V8 engine, trailer tow package with Pro Trailer Backup Assist and integrated brake controls, a power driver seat, cruise control, Bluetooth, a spray-in bed liner, a touch display screen for easy access to your audio controls, miscellaneous vehicle settings, as well as the feed from your backup camera, air conditioning, and 2 USB ports. And the second row features a split folding bench seat for easy configuration from cargo to passenger use or vice versa depending on your needs. Thanks for watching. Now there is a lot more to show you about this Ford F-150 than I can show you in this quick video, and we would love to show you in person. So for more information or to even book a test drive, go ahead and click that link below in the description. And you do get to choose whether you want to come visit us in person at our store or if you want us to bring this F-150 out to you at your Calgary area home or office for your test drive. And have a great day.